See here, let me go from here. I think many students they were there or no, I don't know. So for 4-bar mechanism, in the same way, we have to go for slider crank mechanism also. In this 4-bar mechanism, what you had seen is that the number of links, okay, the fixed one is taken as 1 and rest all links are taken as 1 dash 2 3 4. Okay, so 4 links, and these lower pairs are calculated in the form of the joints 1 2 3 4 joints, and higher pair is 0. Okay, so in the same way you have to go for slider crank mechanism, okay, similar to the 4-bar mechanism only. So here you have to count the number of links. So this is the fixed one, take it as 1, then this one again take it as 1, okay, then from O to A, we consider this one as crank, okay. OA is nothing but a type of crank, so this one is taken as second link, and AB is a type of connecting rod, this one is taken as third link, okay, and then this one is considered as fourth link, this is the slider, okay. So I'll give the naming also. So this is nothing but a slider, okay, and whereas this is nothing but a type of crank, and this one is nothing but the type of connecting rod, okay. So this is the slider crank mechanism, okay. So you should understand the difference between a 4-bar mechanism and a slider crank mechanism. So 4-bar mechanism, what will happen, the input is also rotation, and the output whatever you are going to give in that another 4-bar another link, that is also type of rotation. But in this case what happens, in the slider crank mechanism, the rotary motion is converted to reciprocating motion, like this, it is going to reciprocate in this direction, okay. So this slider is going to move from this place to this place, like this it is going to reciprocate, okay. So here we get number of links as 4, okay. Then here there is no higher pairs, automatically again there are lower pairs only, so you have to count the number of joints. So how many joints are there? So this is the joint, this is one joint, this is another joint, second one, and this is the another joint, and from this surface to the other another joint is there, okay. So same as 4-bar mechanism only, so n is equal to 4. So here 4-bar mechanism also 4 links are there, and in slider crank also 4 links are there. So always you get confusion that there are only 1-2 links can be visible, and this is the fixed one, how it is 4, okay. So always remember this slider is another link, slider is considered as another link. You remember the symbol, this symbol is shown as a slider, always in the figure this symbol is shown as the slider. You have to remember this symbol, this is hinge, okay. If the question is if the point is symbol is like this is known as a hinge one, where this one is completely fixed, okay. But in this case this is the slider, so slider is going to reciprocate in this direction, so this is considered as another link. The base will be different, and the top again this will be different. So this base is again link number 1 only, which is fixed one, but the slider you have to take another link, so that time it becomes the link number 4, okay. And while counting also you have to count the extra link here. I think in the last class I had given you the this one Google form quiz. In that quiz I had given you the slider only. Sir, purposefully I had given the slider so that you will ask me the question, but no one asked me the question that what was that symbol, okay. I think you just directly wrote the answer in the form because objective question was there, but you should think and always try to ask me the questions, otherwise you will not learn. Okay, that was the symbol of slider that purposefully I had given there, because even I had not taught, and I thought you will ask me that doubt, but okay, no problem. But this is considered as slider. You have to remember this symbol. So whenever this symbol is given, this considered as slider. Okay, and also whenever the connection between one link to another link takes place, that is considered as joint. Okay, so you have to remember that whenever the connection between two links are there, that becomes the joint, and that joint you have to consider as lower pair or higher pair. Now suppose you want to connect now the joint from 1 to 2. So the joint number, if we are connecting from 1 to 2, this forms the lower pair, right? So then the link number 2 to 3 again forms the joint at A, again forms at joint at A. So this is one more lower pair. So 2 to 3. So I'll give the name also. This is O, and this is a point A. Okay, and this is they are the lower pairs, what I am telling you. Next, from A to B, that is the connection from the third one. Next, third to the slider. Third is considered the link with respect to slider, 3 to 4. So here the 3 to 4 is nothing but the connecting rod, that is from A to B. So this is also another lower pair. Okay, 3 to 4. Okay, and then this from the slider to the ground, from here. Okay, so that will also be considered as a one more lower pair only. So you forget about this. So this is nothing but B to G, which is considered here. That is nothing but from 4 to 1, connection from 4 to 1. Okay, this also forms the lower pair. So how many lower pairs are there? At point O, that is linked from 1 to 2, then at A 2 to 3, and that is AB, that is from 3 to 4, and that is B to G, that is again 4 to 1. So total lower pairs are 4 in this case, and then higher pair is equal to 0. Okay, so we'll be getting the same value as 4-bar mechanism. N is equal to 4, L is equal to 4, and H is equal to 0. So you get degree of freedom as, if you calculate degree of freedom, you get as 1. So for 4-bar mechanism and as well as slider cranking mechanism, the degree of freedom is 1. Okay, so this is about the slider crank mechanism. In the same way, you can solve the degree of freedom for different types of mechanism. Okay, so I have discussed many problems now. So you can just take a note of this problem and try to find out the degree of freedom for this problem. Anyone just quickly just try to solve this. Take one paper and then try to solve this problem. Already in the numbering of links I already done, so it is there. Just you have to count the lower pairs and then higher pair. Okay, so let us discuss this. So here in the first figure A, you can see the number of links already it is labeled. So this is nothing but it is 8 links, right? So how many joints are there? Here the joint is between 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 joints are there. Then apart from this, how many joint is having more than 2 links, that you need to understand. So the link 4, 6 and 7 at this point, the contact a point of 4, 6, 7 at this joint, you are getting the more than two links are joined at this point, so you are getting +1 here at this point. So here at this point, and 3, 5 and 6, here you are getting more than 2 links are joined at a point, and other places there are only 2 links which are joined. So this is 1, 7, then 1, 2, here 4, then 8, here also this one 8 to 3, and then 2 to 3, and all are having only 1. So total 11 lower pairs are there, and then total degree of freedom will be getting as -1. Okay. Next, second figure, figure B. How many? Anyone has solved it? Anyone has solved it?
1.
Yes. Hello. Unmute and talk. Hello.
1, sir.
1. Okay, yes, correct. So degree of freedom is 1. So 8 links are there here, and by counting the number of joints here, 3 at the bottom, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 getting joints, and all are having only the 2 links which are connected here. So you get degree of freedom as 1, and the total lower pairs you get it as 10. So L is equal to 10, and then degree of freedom you get it as 1, and here also the lower pair was 11, and then degree of freedom you getting it as -1. Okay. So here third one, the total links are 11 links, and how many lower pairs are there, and how much you got the degree of freedom? Anyone calculated? Anyone calculated the degree of freedom? No one? Hello? Anyone? Hello?
Sir, in figure 1, what is the n value, sir?
Huh?
In figure 1a, sir, what is the n value?
N value already numbering is there, no? 8 links are there.
Sir.
Numbering already there, no? That's why I didn't again type there. You can see there in that numbering link, numbering of the links are done. So you can count, you can see there only.
Okay.
Third figure, anyone has done?
4, sir.
Yes, how many? Hello?
4, sir.
No 4.
Sir, 3, sir. Plus.
No 3. Yes? No one?
0, sir.
Yes, 0 is the answer is correct. Okay. So let us count the number of joints. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So by here counting getting 13, and let us count more than 2 links at a point. So this is having connection from 2, 7 and 8, you getting more than 2 links are joined together, and then which are the other links joined with more than 2 links, you have to just see there. So this is 1, this is 1, and this is also 1, and here also 1 is there, and then this is also 1. So how many lower pairs you getting? Anyone? Number of lower pairs, can you tell?
14, sir. 15.
15, sir.
Yes. So it is having 15 lower pairs, and when you count degree of freedom, it becomes 0. Okay. So this one is first figure is a completely a superstructure, and this third figure is completely a structure. okay, and this is having a motion of one with one input, degree of freedom. Okay, so like this you can solve the problems. Okay, so I'll just stop over here to